Build Exact is easy to use and saves me a ton of time. My name's Travis Vanderway. My wife Carly and I own the Smith & Sons Renovations and Extensions in Shepparton. So I've been a builder for 10 years. We were introduced to Build Exact through the Smith & Sons. Before I started using Build Exact, I suppose I was doing what a lot of builders are still doing by the plans, the scale ruler, the calculators. Once we've started using Build Exact, I found with the takeoffs, we've been able to really speed up the process. Once you've got your recipe set up, you can really fly through an estimate. Build Exact have helped us grow our business because it's a lot more efficient. We're able to take on a lot more work. We're able to look at a lot more jobs, do a lot more quotes, and because we can get these things out a lot quicker, we find that we're able to win a lot more jobs from it. We're able to do all our estimating, job management, also invoicing. I can stay on top of all of my quotes, know exactly where they're up to, follow up from there. I can schedule all my jobs through Build Exact and also produce a very professional quote that really helps me sell a job. When we first started with Build Exact, we sat down with the trainer, went over the basics of the software, and then from there having a bit of a play around with it, we've been able to personalise it to our business needs. It's quite easy to jump on the phone or shoot through an email if you need some help. Build Exact lets us track our jobs as we go through. So during the job I can see my actuals versus budget. Then at the end of the job when we review our job we can see how profitable we were. It makes life a lot easier.